Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Toyota. Check it out, our very first 2021 Toyota Corolla SE hatchback, and this one is the special edition version. So in this video I'm going to walk around, tell you what makes this vehicle special on the exterior, all the great styling and functional features that are part of the special edition package. Let's get started. Okay, starting right up front here, you'll notice that we have these grill splitters on the side, they're calling them, and that's a piano black finish with the inserts here as part of the special edition package, and then kind of a gunmetal gray trim going up around the gunmetal gray grill. Beautiful aggressive grill up front with a huge Toyota badging. Notice we also have LED headlights, and those are with the automatic high beams, and then we also have LED J curves. So these white bars right here are LED, and those will light up when you turn on your headlights. So a really nice aggressive look up front, and that grill splitter up front gives you a super low profile leading right into the 18-inch piano black alloy wheels with the black lug nuts. And we do have safety sense P, so we've got four-wheel disc brakes all the way around with the anti-lock brake system, a very low profile tire which is going to give you great handling off around corners and sharp turns and that type of thing. And then down on the very bottom are these black skirts, more of like a body kit effect, and that's part of the special edition package. The color on this one is Supersonic red. It's included in the special edition package, and your outside mirrors are painted to match. You can see you have blinkers in the mirrors or indicators. You have those airfoils that Toyota uses on quite a few of their vehicles to reduce wind noise. Matte black finish around the door sills with color to match door handles. Really a nice look at the rear end. Now the special edition package does include this huge spoiler up here with piano black trim down the edge, and you can see up underneath the spoiler, here's our third brake light with a colored to match shark fin antenna. There's a quick look at your tail lamps, and then the lower air dam in the back. This particular style with the piano black is part of the special edition package. You get special edition badging, and then this one actually has the blackout badge package, which is here. Here's your backup camera. Corolla's blacked out as well, and then this has a sill protector on the bottom to protect against scratches and that type of thing when you're loading and unloading cargo. There's a nice look at the rear end. These down here are reflectors. They don't light up at night. Nice look to the side of this car. Great profile, very aggressive. Four-door hatchback with these really great breakaway mirrors. So if somebody clips it with a grocery cart or a bike, they fold in for tight parking spaces. So that's your SE Special Edition. In the next video, I'll go inside and show you some of the features that come standard on the SE Corolla hatchback.